Tiny houses on wheels need septic plans that satisfy both mobility permit rules and local health department requirements. Design a combined plan that clearly maps the septic system, showing where a holding tank resides, how temporary hookups attach at sites, and how transport procedures prevent spills. Use a 20-step checklist for site connection that covers sealing fittings before transport, securing venting, and verifying backflow prevention at hookup points. When drafting submittals to zoning and health departments, include site diagrams, manufacturer specifications for tanks and pumps, and an operations manual that explains how owners will manage holding tank levels and pump outs. Apply for a temporary use permit when owners plan to occupy non-permanent sites, and pair that with a sanitary permit that allows portable systems or seasonal discharges under monitoring. Train owners or service providers on a simple routine. Inspect seals, record level gauge readings, log pump out dates, and photograph connections before and after each site stay. If an engineered on-site system is impractical at a site, specify a compatible portable option with approved overfill protection and an alarm or remote telemetry so regulators can see compliance without physically visiting often. Common mistakes include treating mobility and septic approvals as separate projects, which delays permits and increases costs. So present one integrated packet that cross-references zoning waivers and public health measures to streamline review. Another frequent issue is underspecifying transport and hookup procedures, which leads to failed inspections. So include a step-by-step photographic protocol for securing fittings, locking vents, and testing seals before transit. A third problem is choosing a holding tank without planning for regular service, which causes nuisance discharges. So plan scheduled pump outs, name a servicing vendor in the permit packet, and include contingency language for extended stays. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like these by letting us share plans, ask questions, and find local service providers experienced with mobile septic setups. We host a discussion community so our users can learn from peers, post photos, and get practical advice while contractors can find work and respond to local demand.